Ayan, maraming salamat po. Pwede mo kayo doon sa gitna. Maraming salamat sa ating mga judges sa pag-entertain sa ating mga audience at pinakita lang talaga nila na sila ay karapat-dapat. Incredible sila na mag-judge sa ating mga contestant. Kaya naman alam natin na fair ang kakalabasan ng ating competition for today. Okay, so this certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Ms. Zarine Arbiol in sincere appreciation of your invaluable time, insight, and impartial judgment as a member of the judging panel for Mr. and Miss Dayan 2025. Your expertise and dedication played a vital role in recognizing and honoring true excellence given this 14th of April 2025. Thank you po, Ms. Zarine Arbiol.